Hello friends, today I am going to teach you Maths 2, chapter number 5, Coordinate Geometry. Let's solve practice at 5.1. Question number 1. I am reading question number 1. You listen it carefully. Find the distance between each of the following pair of points. Example number 2. P in bracket minus 5, 7 and 2 in bracket minus 1, 3. In this example, we have to find distance between 2 points, and distance between 2 points can be found by distance formula. Let's see. P in bracket x1, y1 is equal to minus 5, 7 and 2 in bracket x2, y2 is equal to minus 1, 3. By distance formula, therefore PQ is equal to root in bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Therefore PQ is equal to x2 value is minus 1 minus in bracket x1 value is minus 5 bracket complete bracket square plus in bracket y2 value is 3 minus y1 value is 7 bracket square. Therefore PQ is equal to root minus 1 minus plus 5 bracket square plus 7 minus 3 minus 4 bracket square. Therefore PQ is equal to 4 square minus 16, 5 minus 1 4 and minus 4 square is 16. Therefore PQ is equal to 4 square is 16 plus 16. Therefore PQ is equal to root 32. Therefore PQ is equal to 16 into 2. Therefore PQ is equal to 4 root 2. Therefore answer is distance between point P and Q is 4 root 2. All of you understood this? Next question, question number 2. I am reading question number 2. You listen it carefully. Determine whether the points are collinear or not. I am taking example number 1. A in bracket 1 minus 3, B in bracket 2 minus 5 and C in bracket 4 minus 7. In this example, we have to find the given points is collinear or not. First, we have to find distance AB, distance BC and distance AC. And then if the bigger distance is equal to sum of the other two distance, then the given 3 points are collinear. Let's see. Here also you have to use distance formula. Distance AB is equal to root bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to 2 minus 1 bracket square plus y2 minus 5 minus y1 in bracket minus 3 bracket square is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 bracket square plus minus 5 minus plus 3 bracket square is equal to root 1 square is 1 plus minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 bracket square is equal to root 1 plus 2 square means 4. Therefore distance AB is equal to root 5. First. Then second distance BC. We have to find distance BC is equal to same formula, distance formula, root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to root x2 is minus 4 minus 2 bracket square plus 7 minus into bracket minus 5 bracket square is equal to root minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 bracket square 7 minus into minus plus 5 bracket square. Next, therefore distance BC is equal to root minus 6 bracket square plus in bracket 7 plus 5 bracket square is equal to root 6 square is 36 plus 7 plus 5 is 12 bracket square is equal to root 36 plus 12 square is 144 is equal to root 36 plus 144 is 180 is equal to root 36 into 5. Therefore distance BC is equal to 6 root 5. Second, now find distance AC. Distance AC is equal to root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, distance formula, is equal to root x2 value is minus 4 and minus x1 value is 1 bracket square plus y2 value is 7 minus y1 value is minus 3 bracket square is equal to root minus 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 5 bracket square plus 7 minus minus plus 3 bracket square is equal to root 5 square is 25 plus 10 square is equal to 25 plus 10 square is 100. Next, distance AC is equal to root 125. Factor of 125 is equal to root 25 into 5. Therefore, distance AC is equal to 5 root 5. Equation 3. In all three distances, distance BC is greater. Therefore, adding 1 and 3, distance AB plus distance AC is equal to root 5 plus 5 root 5 is equal to 6 root 5. Equation 4. Therefore, sum of the distance AB plus distance AC is equal to distance BC from 2 and 4. Therefore, points A, B and C are collinear. Therefore, answer point A in bracket 1 minus C bracket complete, B in bracket 2 minus 5 bracket complete, and C in bracket 4 minus 4 7 bracket complete are collinear. All of you understood? Next example. Example number 7. I am reading example number 7. You listen it carefully. Find x if distance between L in bracket x comma 7 bracket complete and M in bracket 1 comma 15 bracket complete is 10. In this example, we have to find x, and x can be found by distance formula. Let's see. L in bracket x comma 7 bracket complete and M in bracket 1 comma 15 bracket complete, LM is equal to 10. By distance formula, LM is equal to root in bracket x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. Therefore, LM value is 10 is equal to x1 value is x and x2 value is 1, x minus 1 bracket square plus y1 value is 7 minus y2 value is 15 bracket square. Therefore, 10 is equal to root x minus 1 bracket square plus 15 minus 7 is equal to minus 8 bracket square. Squaring both the side, we get 10 square is 100 is equal to bracket x minus 1 bracket square plus 8 square is 64. Therefore, in bracket x minus 1 bracket square is equal to 100 minus 64. After transferring the term, sign get changed. Therefore, bracket x minus 1 bracket square is equal to 36, taking square root both the side. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 6. Next, therefore x minus 1 is equal to 6 or x minus 1 is equal to minus 6. After transferring the term, sign get changed. Therefore, x is equal to 6 minus 6 plus 1 or x is equal to minus 6 plus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 5. Therefore, answer is x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 5. All of you understood?